Nice. Good, that's what you've done so far. Tommy officially unpacked the whole dishwasher this morning, and now he's in the process of loading it. It's a messy one. What do you have to do? Good. And we always rinse it out. It's got chocolate goopy goops on the bottom. See? Can't put it in the dishwasher like that, can we?
No.
So we rinse out the goopy goops. There you go. I'll rinse everything for you so you can just load it. Oh shit. Sorry. Oh, remember what the rule is about plastic. Where does plastic have to go? Push this one in when you're opening the other. Why does plastic go up there? Do you remember? Because if it goes on the bottom, it will
rot. It will rot out.
It'll melt.
Yeah.
Plastic will melt at the bottom because there's heaters on the bottom, okay? Good job, buddy. How old are you, Tommy?
5 years old.
Oh my goodness. Look at the best 5-year-old on the planet.